Valia. Next we have Banpreet Kaur or Preet Walia, Mrs. West Bengal 2020, Mrs. India Noble Queen 2021, Mrs. India Best Ramp Walk, social activist associated with 4 NGOs, and a certified interior designer. Round of applause for Preet Walia. Next we have Akansha Mangalani. Akansha Mangalani is a multifaceted individual, blending her roles as a former Miss India Worldwide East, entrepreneur and influencer with finesse. Her journey is a testament to her determination and creativity. We have Akansha for you all, our dear family. Thank you, Akansha. Next we have Veenu Kaur, Mary Sridevi. Veenu Kaur, fashion and lifestyle influencer and an entrepreneur designer, footwear by the name of Aram. And she's a homemaker and guess kariye, she's a mom to how many kids? 4 kids! Yeah, and include whatever you want. Yeah, thank you, Veenu. Next, we have Karuna Chandirani, one of my finest, very good friend, and a distinguished pageant winner. She has been a mentor. She's been a mentor, groomer, has not only captured hearts, yes, she has captured hearts, but also nurtured talents, shaping aspiring individuals into confident achievers. Yes, Karuna, we have seen you doing all this. Thank you so much. Daga, उसके बारे में मैं क्या बोलूँ? सबको पता है. She is a darling. So she is a celebrity influencer and 1.5 साल में इसने कलकत्ता को हिला दिया है. किसने हिलाया है? क्योंकि उसने 200 brands के साथ काम किया है and she's worked with 200 brands. So let's have claps for her.
I would request, since Ragini is getting overwhelmed, I would request Nandita ji, because she is also an entrepreneur, I would request to tell her about her to you.
The first thing I would like to say is 3 cheers to the power woman in the house, hey babe! And of course, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आकर और ये देखकर that आज every day we are prospering day by day with women like her and ma'am. I'm sure like world में इतना आगे हम बढ़ने वाले that we are going to put a name for India. And Oscar! And of course, love yourself first. A woman has the power to shake the whole world. So go for it and believe in yourself. You can see the doors opening every day. Thank you.
Let me tell you, nothing is possible without men. जब हम लोग विमेंस डे कर रहे थे, हम लोग महाशिवरात्रि भी कर रहे थे, तो शिव के बिना शक्ति नहीं, शक्ति के बिना शिव नहीं. So हम लोग एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं. And भारतवर्ष इसलिए सक्षम है क्योंकि शिव और शक्ति दोनों ही शक्तिमान हैं. Thank you.
बोले हाँ बेटा हम एग्री है तुमको जो करना है. और अभी यहाँ आके इतना अच्छा लगा और जितनी लेडीज जितने मेंबर्स वॉक कर रहे थे मुझे देख के इतनी खुशी हो रही थी. जो फैशन शो में मॉडल्स रैंप वॉक करते हैं, जो अपने मेंबर्स वॉक करे, वो मेरे लिए और भी ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल है.
1 minute. Arvind sir, can we have you here speaking few lines for the show? Okay, we can do it later on.
Thank you so much, Ragini, for this fantabulous show. Can we have a big round of applause for Ragini? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. As we move on. Arvind ji, आप आ गए, आइए. Actually, अभी सबसे स्मार्ट, डैशिंग, हैंडसम आप यहाँ पे ना, सबको आपके संग फोटो खिंचानी है. किसी ने कहा था, इनफैक्ट आई वुड लाइक टू नेम सदगुरु. मैं सदगुरु का टॉक सुन रही थी एंड ही वाज स्पीकिंग टू अ बिजनेसमैन. ही सेड कि बिजनेसमैन को ग्रेव क्यों होना होता है, ग्रेव तो हम लोग अपने ग्रेव में ही होंगे. सो यहाँ पे द ब्यूटी इज हम लोग सब बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, वी आर ऑल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, हम लोग उद्यम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग हंसी खुशी कर रहे हैं, राइट? So now we move on to the next round of awards, and I would like to invite our youth team of Mantras Foundation, Sukanya Shaha, to Suparna Shaha, to please come and announce the name of the awardees. Mantri, Trisha, Vajanti Bose, Vinita Agarwal and Vinita Dalmia to get ready. I was just so here I would like to start with Malvika ji. I would request Malvika Byayanwala, who is coming all the way from Siliguri, to please come. And we are very blessed and honored to have an entrepreneur like her with us on stage. So our appreciation award goes to Malvika Byayanwala. And to give away the awards, I would request Sangeeta ji, Madam Shona ma'am. Shona ma'am, please come.
So Malvika Di she's come all the way from Siliguri. When I shifted to Siliguri, she is the empowered lady who empowered me again. So round of applause for Malvika Di. One second, I'll just take this picture.
As we move on, I would also request Gargi Bhunja to please join on stage for the next round. Suparna to please take over. Actually, these are two powerful sisters, Suparna and Sukanya, and they are the famous twin sisters. So it's all right if sometimes I Sukanya and Suparna, right?
Right, ma'am, it's okay. Sometimes, all the times I get called Sukanya. So let us begin with Miss Vinita. She's a visionary choreographer, co-founder and mentor of Sankvi dance classes. She has revolutionized dance through innovations, storytelling and captivating performance. Let's welcome her on stage and recognize her efforts towards the society. Please give your hands together for Miss Vinita. Team, could you please turn on some music?
On stage to give away some awards now. See, we are all powerful women and we can all join each other. हम लोग यहाँ पे आए इसलिए
spearheading innovative solutions for maintenance, servicing, and repair challenges. Her exceptional leadership and vision drive corporate excellence, making her a true pioneer in women leadership, inspiring countless others in this field. Let us put our hands together for Miss Akhtar.
मैं एक बात बताऊं, हम लोग सब इतनी तालियां क्यों बजा रहे हैं? क्योंकि सब हम लोग यहाँ जानते हैं कि हम लोग सक्सेसफुल हैं, बट विमेन व्हेन दे आर सक्सेसफुल बहुत डाइवर्स सिचुएशंस को फाइट करके अपने को वो लोग सक्सेसफुल बनाती हैं. दैट इज़ द होल emotion why we are all clapping for each other. So let us not stop this clapping and continue as we move on to the awardees.